Let Mommy fix them. Can Mommy fix them first?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Okay, here. There you go. I'm trying to put them both in one hole. I don't know. Where's the other one? Oh, there's the other one.
Mommy!
Oh, do you want Mommy to help you? Oh, now you want Mommy to help you? You wouldn't let me help you before. Okay, go. Here. Here. There's one. There's one on there. Yeah. There. See that one? Okay, you do the other one. What happened? You already had one on. Why did you take it all off now?
Because she was fixing it.
Now look, they're all mixed up now again. I'm gonna try again. Here, try again. Put this one on. Try again, Maya. Sit down and try it. There you go. Oh, where are you going? There's Alyssa. There's Maya. Maya's going to try to put on her pants again.
Don't.
Name of pants. Where did they go?
Surprise.
Where did they go? Where'd the pants go? Where did they go? You're going to fall.
She's funny.
She's goofy.
She's like a baby.
Maya. Maya. Is Alyssa Mama's baby? Alyssa, are you my baby?
No.
Oh, baby Alyssa. Oh, baby Alyssa.
I'm not baby. I'm just cooking.
Oh, baby Alyssa. Oh, you're the